a drop, man, and you know that this is like your best work, you really be proud of yourself. Because, all right, it take about a week once the manufacturer ship it to you. I don't do unboxing videos, so it's a few boxes on the floor. It's more that you didn't see. This is what inspired this drop, really, because this is a Mexican customer from our local bodega, poppy store, whatever you want to call it, right? He bought the original pants from the first drop. So boom, here go my model. We shooting in the hood, whatever. Just showing you the details of the pants. The pants is so fire. Boom. Then we got the Problem Solver hoodie. Blick and switch, feel me? Man, them P's go so crazy. The screen print goes so crazy. You see the details of the work that we putting in, my boy. We is not sacrificing nothing when it comes to a quality product. And I really wanted to convey who I am as a designer. I have a bold style. I use large, oversized graphics. And that's really what I'm doing. That's the vibes, man. We shot in the bodega, in the hood. Yeah, why not? I mean, I feel like when you're having fun with your brand and you're also designing a quality product for your customer to attract people to your type of style and what you're doing, it's going to resonate. Cream hoodie, black hoodie. We got the t-shirts. All right, this is my Boricua model, my mans and shit. It's my boy, graphic designer. My man do everything, you feel me? He rock out. And I print for him. We go back and forth, man. We make it happen. That's what teamwork make the dream work. You know how that shit goes. You know the vibes, whatever. The red go crazy with the black, and the black go crazy with this cream. So the whole point in me doing this collection was really just to give the customers who didn't have a chance to get the collection another chance. Now, if this joint go crazy, we'll restock and we'll add a color. And y'all have to stay tuned to see what color we add. You feel me? Another hoodie. Different pants too. We gonna go stupid. But it's all about what happens with this particular drop. We drop in March 29th, 2025. Y'all already know the vibes. It's Sugar Hill, man. Y'all know how I do it, man. Like I said, I do bold graphics, in your face with the zippers, reflective piping down the sides. My man got his own drip, a little fly signature, how he put it together. And it's basically me just showing y'all what y'all could do. Of course, I didn't start out like this, man. If y'all watch my previous videos, y'all gonna see. I started out with a heat press. And here goes that shirt that's most notorious for my brand. It's called the Toxic Leather. Yep. I sold so many of these shirts right here. And I made them with a heat press in the crib. Feel me? So stop acting like you can't start. You're going to have to progress once you get a winning product, something that people recognize you for. It goes to photo shoot for that product. Proof for that product that product sells, Black Friday sales. We went crazy about 45, 50 orders. No bullshit. So do the hard work. Put the time in. You could do whatever you want to do. Put your mind to it. Again, made with a heat press, vinyl cutter, and a hat press. All these products was made, handmade products. They all sold out. No bullshit. So, again, I'm showing these products in this clip all made with a vinyl cutter and a hat press and a heat press. You could do it. I did it. You got to start somewhere. I don't care what people be telling you. Here goes the proof. Here go my purchases. Hoodie on from the previous clip. Another bag, which means he bought more things. Hoodie in hand. See what I'm saying? See what I'm talking about? I'm not telling y'all something that I didn't do. I did this. I sold these products. I made them with my hands. And you could do the same thing. So stop letting these people tell y'all how you got to start your brand. Just get started, figure out how you want to do it. Graphic designer, logo, create the logo yourself, whether you're using vinyl, DTF transfers, or screen print press.
Yo, why did I start using the heat press? I started using the heat press because I couldn't always manufacture. And I could do small loads for like $150, $200, you know what I'm saying? I graduated to DTF transfers. That's DTF transfers and puff vinyl. But somebody definitely bought that. One of my coworkers had a type of job I was working at the time and shit, you feel me? So let's just say you like me, you had $150, $200. They say you couldn't start a brand with a heat press. Lie, bullshit, cap, you could. And here goes proof that people gonna wear it. Made with a heat press and a screen print transfer. And eventually I did make that a screen as well. I sold so much of that. Again, proof. T-shirt made with a heat press. Vinyl cutter the shorts. All these items was made with a heat press. That was the banner for my website. Again, made with a heat press, screen print transfers. Here goes my heat press setup. Vinyl cutters, made stickers. All made with a heat press, order shipping out. See, mini press for neck labeling. More orders shipping out, made with a heat press. In bags, made with a heat press. So please stop telling me you can't start and about the quality you graduate. Get better and better and better. In the beginning of the video, I'm showing manufacturer stuff. So that's how I got to this progression, made with a heat press. Stuff that I had left over and still have some made with a heat press, and it's sold. It's in his hand, right? Made with a heat press. Sent to Atlanta to various people. That was a whole bulk load, whole table full. Y'all always talking about y'all budget, right? I paid $35 from this design from an Instagram designer from Indonesia. I use him regular, and it's about having vision. This design was just a regular boring design. I turned it into puff print. I turned the white shirt into a cream shirt. I elevated it. And what I do know about this product is that it could be changed again to another color or another set of colors. If I decided to drop again, I don't know how I would do it. I do know. I'm telling y'all, I'm capping like I don't know, but we're gonna see how this drop goes. But I got a great feeling that it's gonna go well because I promoted it. Man, do the work. Stop complaining. See the product, the outcome. Sugar Hill. Thanks for watching.